सेरुला कम्युनिदादीच्या जमनीचेर बेकायदेशीरपणान बांदकाम केला. त्या बांदकामाचेर ताबो मेळोवपा पासून पर्यटन मंत्री दिलीप परुळेकार आनी बाकीच्या 10 जाणांक आडोवपाचो आदेश हायकोर्टान गोंय सरकाराक दिला. उत्तर गोंय जिल्लोधिकारी, गोंय नियोजन आनी उदरगत अधिकारिणी आनी सुकूर पंचायतीक हो आदेश चालीक लावचो पडटलो. ही जमीन आसा तशी करपाक परुळेकार आड फावो ती कारवाय करपाचो आदेश हायकोर्टान सेरुला कम्युनिदाद आनी कम्युनिदादीच्या प्रशासकाक दिला.
The court has held that the conduct of respondent number 4 to 14 is 4 is Dilip Parulekar, 5 is his brother, and the rest are those all occupying other shops, is high-handed and an unlawful intrusion in the property of the comunidad. The court has held that the whole conduct of the respondents is an illegal expedient to usurp the land of the comunidad without sanction of law.
ह्या आदेशाक सुप्रीम कोर्टान आव्हान दिवपाचें आसा म्हूण हायकोर्टाच्या आदेशाचेर स्थगिती हाडपाची मागणी दिलीप परुळेकार आनी 10 प्रतिवाद्यांनी केली. हायकोर्टान आदेश चालीक लावपाचेर 8 सप्तकांची स्थगिती हाडल्या, पूण ह्या काळान संबंदीत जमनीचेर कसलेंच बांदकाम करूंक मेळचें ना.
Without an occupancy certificate, the whole thing is being occupied by a lawmaker who is breaking the law to his whims and fancies, and this government who talks too much about nailing, the defense minister who talks today of nailing the bribe takers in future, he should able to sack this, because all this happened when he was the chief minister.
केस निकालान काडटना हायकोर्टान कांय निरीक्षणां दिल्यात. संबंदीत अधिकारिणी आनी प्रतिवाद्यांची वागणूक दुबावीत आसा. कम्युनिदादीच्या कोडा प्रमाण आपली कारवाय कायदेशीर करनासतनाच कम्युनिदादीच्या ह्या जमनीचेर बांदकाम करपाक तांणी दिलें. कम्युनिदादीचे गायब आशिल्ले डॉक्युमेंटाचेरय हायकोर्टान प्रस्न उक्तायला. जमीन रुपांतराची सनद घेनासतना जमनीचेर बांदकाम केलें आनी ऑक्युपन्सी सर्टिफिकेट नासतना संबंदीत अधिकारिणीन बांदकामाक लायट सारकिल्ल्या सेवेक मान्यताय दिली अशें म्हणत हायकोर्टान संबंदीत अधिकारिणीचेर नाराजी उक्तायली.
The Honorable Court has also accepted that these people have grabbed various other plots which does not have any sanction of law. The judges asked the government advocate to produce the books because they were claiming it is in custody. But surprisingly, when the books were presented, it was noted that the books for such relevant periods were found missing, and no explanation on that count was forthcoming from the concerned authorities. This would itself create a suspicion into the conduct of the concerned authorities with the private respondents, the concerned authorities with the private. The suspicion is between these two. The private respondents are Dilip Parulekar, his brother, and others who have proceeded to put up a construction in the subject property without first establishing or legalizing the action in terms of the Code of Comunidad.
पर्यटन मंत्र्याक पदावेल्यान काडपाची मागणी राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेस करता. परुळेकार आनी बाकीच्या प्रतिवाद्यां आड ह्या बेकायदेशीर गजाली खातीर फौजदारी केस करपाचो निर्णय याचिकादार ट्राजन डिमेलोन घेतला. प्रुडंटा खातीर मुकेश कुमार आनी देवेंद्र गांवकार.